What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Hey, yo, y'all good out there? I said, are y'all good out there? All right, check this out, man. Yo. All right. First off, first things first. I spoke about Alibaba in the past, man. I don't got no issues with Alibaba. I hope y'all don't got no issues with Alibaba either. If you do, uh, hey, I hope you work those issues out. All right. Like I said in the past, I've been dealing with Alibaba for a minute. Okay, like they ain't do me filthy yet. And if they did, hey, that's the name of the game. That's the nature of the beast, baby. With business, sometimes business don't always go your way, but you want to try to keep business per se more in your favor than on the other side. Now, if you get caught slipping, don't let that deter you for staying in the business. All right, you live and you learn. All right, now I say all that to say this. Like, I put up a post on my IG a few days ago, and I tagged a few people in it. I think I tagged Alibaba in it. All right, now the reason for the tag is, if I'm doing business with you, or I want to get more eyes from your followers per se onto my shit. I'm saying, it's the name of the game, baby. We use each other. That's what social media is for. So I might have tagged Alibaba, and sounds like a disgruntled customer decided to come on my post and blast off about his or her experience with Alibaba. All right, now I'm just going. I'm gonna read to y'all, what transpired. All right, now before this video ends, y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Y'all make sure y'all hit that bell notification so you don't never miss nothing. All right, and shout out my Patreon people. All right, what I'm gonna do is on the back end of this video. All right, I got something nice for y'all. All right, only my exclusive Patreon people. You'll get the extended version that you can watch over on Patreon. All right, if you want to join my Patreon, y'all hit that link down below. All right, shout out to my sponsor too. Shout out to Kettle One, the finest of vodkas. I'm gonna go pull up something in a minute. I ain't got nothing right now because I'm talking to y'all. All right, but like I was saying, man, let me just read this off to y'all, man. In the comments below, if y'all got any experience that y'all like to share as far as your dealings with Alibaba, holla at your boy. Leave him down below. All right, so first things first, it was one of my put up a post, and I'll show you in this video too. It's one of my unfamous posts, but I'm just gonna read it off to you. All right, this individual's name, his or her tag on Instagram is Celebration Lounges. All right, now this is what they said, word for word. They said, please do not do business on Alibaba if you're from the United States. I was scammed by a company called Shanghai Diamond Garment Accessories Co. I filed a complaint with Alibaba and sent them all the financial information. Alibaba has access to all the chat that took place in my account and they refuse to do anything to hold the criminal company liable for $4,000. Yes, y'all, $4,000 they stole from me. Awful that Alibaba does not hold the criminals on their site liable. 100% reimburse me. No, excuse me, let me back up real quick. Even more so, Alibaba should 100% reimburse me and be held accountable for this criminal company. There were numerous complaints that I found later in research. Hey, I'm going to stop right there real quick. Pay attention to that. Pay attention to what this individual just said. I'm going to read it. I'm going to read that line one more time. There were numerous complaints that I found later in research. If I can find it, Alibaba should easily be able to. The salesperson name is Larry Tasky. The name of the criminal company is, and they just put, the Alibaba link, Shanghai Diamond Garment Accessories Co. Ltd. Hang Tag Keyring. And they just put their once again their Alibaba website name, and they just kept putting their Alibaba website name, the pretty much the company that per se scammed them out of $4,000, y'all. All right, so this was my response. Okay, at celebration lounges, don't let that deter you from doing business. People in America get scammed every day. Once again, y'all, people in America get scammed every day. Okay? Now, once again, that was just their experience with Alibaba. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, don't let that deter you from doing business with Alibaba. Okay? The same way this individual got scammed out of 4Gs, you can get scammed out of the same amount of money, if not more, from a U.S. company. A scam is a scam. It don't matter. It don't matter what entity, or what country, they're from. Scammers are scammers. All right. Now, remember when I told you to pay attention to that one line that they said that, after they got scammed, they did research and found that this particular company is fraudulent. Now, check this out, y'all. Peep game. Now, I know I spoke about this in the past. Why the hell didn't this individual do more research in the first place on this particular company before he gave him 4Gs? Huh? Correct me if I'm wrong. Leave in the comments. Why didn't you do your research first before you got scammed out of 4Gs? Okay, now on Alibaba's website, all right, they have particular guidelines and tags of companies, how long, they've been doing business. It's like a star rating. How many stars, this particular company has, and the more the better. And how many years, the company been around, how many transactions they made throughout the year on a yearly basis, or throughout, the lifetime of the company. It's all right there. They ain't trying to hide it from you. It's all right there. So the fact that they got scammed out of 4Gs, that's their fault. All right? That's your fault, playboy or playgirl. I bet you, hey, I bet you gonna learn. I bet you learned after that. Now, through my experience, let me tell y'all how I do. You know what I'm saying? I'm not giving you 4 racks up front. If we doing business and something costs 4 racks, you know what I'm gonna do? What y'all think I'm gonna do? Bro, I'll give you half. I might give you half. You know what I'm saying? Up front. Until I see that my particular garments or whatever this person was trying to, get done are actually going into production. You can present me with a sample. That's the name. That's just smart business, man. That's just smart business. The fact that you gave a company 4 racks and they burned you, but that ain't nobody's fault but yours, man. Nobody fault but yours. You said you said in the message that you sent me after you got scammed, you did the research. Like, bruh, come on. Come on, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think? Leave it in the comments, all right? And I'm gonna drop some more gems, for my Patreon people, on the back end of this video. All right, but that's all I gotta say for this one, y'all. For the extended version, y'all make sure y'all check out my Patreon. All right. Hey, I'm sorry that happened to you, and hopefully things were on the up and up for you. Till next time. Skid it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.